Hey guys, welcome back to the Isuzu Connect YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to add and remove a user from Isuzu Connect. So the first thing is we need to make sure that you have admin privileges to be able to do this. So if you look at the manage here, this little icon, that indicates that you have admin privileges. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to click on manage. I'm going to go all the way down and I'm going to first put in the email address for the new user that we are going to add. Now make sure that you copy this email address because you're going to use it more than once. Okay? And instead of clicking create user, we're going to click on find user. This is going to tell us if they're already in Isuzu Connect or not. And as you can see here, it says could not find user with this username. So that means they're not in there. So we're going to go all the way back down, put the email address in, and now we're going to click on create user. Okay, we're going to put the email address there because that would be the username. We're going to give them a job title. Okay, this is where you put your DMS ID, which could be whatever DMS system you use. You're going to put that ID number in there. That way it can connect. We're going to give them a name, email address again. You don't need an address, but please select the state. Don't need a postal code, but please select the country just in case it's any of these others. We don't need a phone number, but please provide a mobile phone number. That way they can get text message notifications. We don't need fax, but please select time zone. That way you don't get a notification at 2 in the morning. You can select the language you need in case it's any of these others. These three buttons here, you don't need to select anything. Leave them as they are and create new dealer user. Okay, so now we're in the permissions tab. This is where you give them permission to use the platform. So we're going to give them service advisor permission and save permission. Right now the user has been added. Okay. And so we're going to go back home, click on manage again. And here is Joanne Doe. That's how easy it is to add a new user. Now we're going to go ahead and go back home and I'm going to show you how to remove the user. I'm going to click on manage again. And if you see the name here, the one that you just added, we're going to remove them. We're going to click on edit. We're going to click on the permissions tab, remove whatever permission that they have. So if it's multiple, you can remove them. Save permission. It's been saved. Now we're going to go back home, click on manage again, and now they're gone. So that's how easy it is to remove a user from Isuzu Connect. I hope that this video was informational for you. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button below. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.